Hello humans, welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, we'll talk about how to make real money on the internet. So if you are interested in making real money online, then make sure you watch the video till the end from here on. However, if you are only interested in watching the review, then you can fast forward the video and watch the last 7 minutes of the video. So if you are interested in making money online, then you will find some links below. And also if you want to know what bonuses these are, because I will give you these 3 bonuses. So if you want to know what they are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the full video, okay? So starting here below my video, you will find some links. The number one method, recommended method by me, which obviously I am doing currently right now, which you can see is YouTube. It's not hidden, okay? So you can see here it says get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So if you click on this link, click on that link right there, then you will come to this page here and scroll down, enter your name, email, and then you will get the instructions to your email. And you can watch this testimonial as well. You can see how this channel was monetized just in 2 weeks. Okay, it's a big deal getting YouTube channel monetized. That is in 2 weeks. It's unrealistic. Okay, so go and see this testimonial, and then you will get these results yourself if you follow the training. Okay, and it's almost guaranteed. I would say it's 99.9% guaranteed if you do exactly what you're told in the what you are told in this YouTube training. Okay, and you will get your channel monetized maximum within 4 weeks. Okay, so once you come to this page after that, okay, you will come to this page after that where it shows you Traffic Jarvis. That's the name of my program, YouTube program. Okay, and it's for serious people who want to make some income on YouTube, because YouTube gives you free traffic and multiple sources of income. So this is a full-blown YouTube course, 16 plus hours long. Okay, and number one source of income could be YouTube ad revenue for you, because when you are watching my video, you're watching some ads in this video as well, right? So when you see ads, YouTube pays me a little bit of money, okay? And that little bit of money could be this much, okay? So I have made all this money just by making these videos without selling. I did not sell anything and still made this kind of money, okay? Now let's scroll down. You can watch more testimonials here, and then let's talk about this here, because this is what I made by offering my consultation services one-to-one. Okay, so people will talk to me one-to-one. They will ask their questions related to whatever expertise I have. I have SEO expertise, affiliate marketing, YouTube. I have multiple expertise. Okay, so I have been making money on Stripe. You can see here. So that's something you can utilize if you have that skill. For example, you are some consultant yourself, you're some this immigration consultant, lawyer, you have some you are some professional, you can make a YouTube video and charge people for your time. Okay, and then I have some affiliate marketing income proofs here. You can see these are all affiliate income proofs. I am not showing you millions, because what matters is that you make money. Okay, if you are on zero, that means nothing works. But if if you make your first $1, $10, that means it works, and then you can scale that up. Okay, so YouTube gives you free traffic. If you are really interested in making free money, then all you have to do is be comfortable in making YouTube video. I don't come on the camera. Just imagine this. This guy does not even come on the camera, still makes money, still gets sales. Let me show you here if I come back. Or rather, I'll show you this system first, because if you go below, then it will make sense to you. So it shows you get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 leads per day, and then you can email them any offer of your choice once every single day. So I had been using the system itself, and you can see the system had been making me this kind of reoccurring commission every month. Okay, reoccurring, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending. It just doesn't stop. It will not make you rich. It will not make you like go boom boom, but you can see $5 here, $5 there. Okay, so if you see the date, recent times, 23rd of June, 23rd of June, so you see this is all recent money. It's not old screenshot, it's all recent. Okay, then some money here, some money is coming here, some money is coming here. So it all works as long you're willing to do the work. Okay, so if you want to make money online, seriously, YouTube is what you need. Okay, and then you can check out this 100 leads program. If you want to get into email marketing and get these leads, you can go and get it. And you can check out my Warrior Plus products. So if you come and click on this link, you can buy my own Warrior Plus products here. So this is the Shim AI. Right click and open, and it will give you awesome images, meaning you go and create the prompts using the software. Go and watch the demo. And once you follow the training, then you will be able to create images like these. Okay, so you can create images for your any offer. Okay, and then second link is about launch to profit AI. So if you are into affiliate marketing or any marketing, and go and watch the demo video first, because it will generate all the campaigns for you. Okay, all you have to do is tell the software a few keywords and it will generate the reviews, articles, email scripts, you name it, we have it. Go and watch the demo video. Okay, I think then we have bonuses, or we have one more thing, book one-to-one consultation. So if you want to speak with me one-to-one, then you click on that link, scroll down, and you can click on book now, make the payment. This will cost you $97 to speak to me for 40 minutes. Okay, so you go and make the payment for $97, and we can speak to you one-to-one audio call, and you can ask me any questions you have. Write down your questions, ask me, talk to me one-to-one for 40 minutes. Okay, so you make the payment and then you email me your timing on this email address, that when do you want to speak. We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before making the payment. Okay, now let's discuss the bonuses. So bonus number one is free email autoresponder, because when you want to do email marketing, you need to have an email autoresponder. So you will get that. In a case tracking training, you will get free copy. This is 2 hours training. So this is what case tracking looks like. 2 hours 9 minutes. What this does, it teaches you the same thing which I am doing or which others are doing. For example, if you want to make these review videos, you want to know how to find these software, how to find these products and everything, how to make the video, how to start a YouTube channel, all this is covered inside this 2 hours training. You will get that free if you buy from me. Okay, third is forex profit machine. So in case you are interested in learning about forex trading, this is a 11,000 words PDF guide. So you will get all these bonuses if you go and buy from me. Okay, and if you go and buy the product for which we're gonna do the review now, then you will get these bonuses automatically delivered. Okay, but if you go and buy one of my products, then you have to email me and I will send you the bonuses manually. Okay, so if you are confused at any point of time, you can always email me on this address. Okay, so if you're serious about making long-term income, just like I have shown you enough proofs, I have shown you all my platforms. Money keeps coming here, keeps coming there. I'm not showing you millions, but I'm showing you it works. Okay, so if you want to make it work, then YouTube is the free traffic source. If you don't want to spend money in bringing traffic, then you have to make videos. That's free traffic. Okay, so if you're interested in making money on YouTube, because YouTube gives you high quality traffic, if you consider yourself high quality, if you consider myself high quality, then we have to come on YouTube. Okay, so again, if you're serious about making money on the internet, then go and get started with this traffic Jarvis, the link below my video. And that's it. So if you want to speak to me, the consultation is right there. Thanks for watching so far. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna start the review now. Alright, humans, let's do this OpusLeads AI review. So right now we are on the sales page where you have your coupon code. So note down this coupon code. It is OpLeads30 off. So OP leads 30, or maybe 3 off, not 30, but 3 off. So this is O, not 0. So OP leads 3 off. That will give you $3 discount. So make sure you use the coupon code. Now what this is and how you can get this, for that you have to come to the sales page and you will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video, which says grab OpusLeads AI copy. Here, click on that link, come to this page right here, and then you can scroll down and watch this demo video here as well. This is a funnel builder. This creates those lead magnet pages, opt-in pages, and you can collect your email leads and connect your autoresponder as well. So they have shown everything in this demo video. So go and watch the demo video. Then we have this dashboard as well. I'm going to show you how this is going to work. Let's get done with the sales page first, and then we'll get into the dashboard. So go and watch the demo video as well on the sales page at the top, and the video is here too. So you have the video on multiple locations on the sales page. And let's go through some question answers right here. So how is OpusLeads AI different from other list building tools? Well, this one has AI. Do I need any tech skills? No. Where do the leads actually come from? You access includes traffic sources and resources to start filling your funnel from day one. Go and watch the demo video actually. So are the products to sell really included? I don't have them. Correct, you get 5 complete done for you digital products which you can sell. Is this a one-time payment? Yes. Can I use OpusLeads AI to build funnels? Of course you can. What if it does not work? 30-day money back guarantee. Will this work on Mac PC? Yes, it will. How fast can I realistically expect to see result? That depends. How I have bought tools like this before. Well, tool will work, but as long you don't mix two things together, for example, the job of the software is to create the opt-in page. The job of the software is not to go and build your email list on its own and make people buy. The software will only create the funnel. How will you get leads? How will you sell people something, or will they buy from you or not? That's a business you have to look after. Okay. Anyway, so whether you want this Opus leads or not, so you can go and buy this if you want my bonuses, which we have discussed just maybe 4 minutes ago. Okay. So whether you need Opus leads AI or not, if you want my bonuses in particular, then go and buy this from my link and you will get those bonuses at least, because I can show you here my bonuses are linked with the sales page, you can see. So when you go and buy, my bonuses will be automatically accessible to you in your purchase history. So what we got here, we got the dashboard. So let's click on a new project here and just type in a name, maybe test, and create a project. Or test is not available, so test 0 is available, right? I'm smart. So let's create project, or it says your plan limit. Okay, so because this is our demo account, so I think we have to remove one of these plans. Let me see, how can we delete it? How do we delete it? I'm not gonna waste so much time in this one. If I can find, I'll show you, otherwise I will not. So technically what happens is, this is my review copy, this is my demo account. Okay, so in this one, or in the front end, you are only allowed to have 5 funnels, 5 projects. So because all these people have previously made the reviews, so they have just uh, made the 5 project here, as you can see. So we can't make a new one. So either we delete one of these. I don't know how to delete. I can't find the option. Let me see again. Unpublish. Let's try to unpublish. Okay. And does it make any difference? Let's go back. I don't think so. So I'm not gonna waste much time here, as I said. Let's see again. Same thing, okay? Because you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 projects already, so we can't make the 6th one. So I will not proceed any further because we have to save the time. But yes, I think there should be somewhere we can delete one of the projects and start a new one. I hope so. Okay. So this is what it is. In files, you get 1 GB storage to save your pictures and everything. Then you have some done for you books, which you can download and use as lead magnet. You have some done for you email copies, as you can see here. You have some bonuses, I guess. Actually, you don't. And then you have integrations, so you can connect your autoresponder. Okay. And then you have some billing here, and you have some credit usage here. So if you go back to billing, you will find all the upgrades, as you can see, so you can change your plan. So let's show you the OTOs right here. There you go. So this is front end, so go and use that coupon code which we have shown you in the beginning, and then these are the OTOs, so you can pick and choose. Okay, so long story short, whether you want Opus Leads AI or not, you have to decide for yourself. However, if you only want my bonuses, you can get my bonuses in 2 ways. Either you go and buy this Opus Leads AI, or you can go and buy my Warrior Plus products as well. For example, it shows check out all my products here. We have discussed that in the beginning. So you can buy my software and also get my bonuses, or you buy this one only using my link below and you will get my bonuses. All right, that's it. Cool. So if you want to make money online, then go and check out this YouTube thing. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.